everybody. In this video, you'll be learning about the while and do while loops in C#. The agenda of my video will be understanding about what are loops and understanding about the while and do while loops in C#. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so now let me explain about what are loops. Basically, loops are used to iterate through a set of code until the specified condition is true or the specified condition is reached. Loops come in handy because they save time, reduce errors, and make your code more readable. There are a few loops available in C#, for example, the while loop, the do while loop, the for loop, and the for each loop. In this video, we're going to be discussing about the do while and the while loops in C#, and then when we go ahead, we're going to be discussing about the for and for each loops in C#. So let's get into discussing about the while loop first. Now let me show you a demo of the while loop. Okay, so here I'm going to declare an integer variable I and initialize this to 0, semicolon. And now let's use a while loop. So just use the while keyword, and then inside a bracket you have to specify the condition. So we only want C# to iterate the set of code that is inside of this while loop until I is less than 5. Okay, then the body for this loop inside of curly brackets. So console.writeLine I, and then we will increment I by 1. So I plus plus. If we don't do the incrementation over here, then this condition, the specified condition, will never be reached because the value of I will remain 0, and then it's gonna loop infinite times. Okay, now let's run the program and check what will be the output. Okay, as you can see, it prints out the numbers from 0 to 4. Now I'll just close this. Now I'm going to show you an example of the do while loop. So let this remain all the same, but I'm going to take off that while over there, okay, and change that to do. And then over here in the bottom, after the curly braces, curly brackets, I'm going to specify the conditions while I is less than 5, and then add in a semicolon there. Run the program and we should get the same output that we got with or by using the while loop. You can see that the output is the same. It prints out the numbers from 0 to 4. Okay, let me close that. So what is the exact difference between the while and the do while loops? That's what I'm going to explain now. So basically the while loop, when we are using the while loop, first it checks the condition. The C# checks the condition first. So first we specify the condition, right? While I is less than 5, right? Only then it will execute the code inside of the while loop. It will iterate with the loop. Okay, but for the do while loop, first it will execute the code inside of the do while loop, and then it will check the condition. Okay, this condition specified over here. And if the condition is true, then it will break out of the loop. Let me prove that to you now. So now I'm going to change this condition over here to I greater than 5. When we run the program, we should get 0 printed. So as you can see, the output on the console is 0. Okay, now let me close this. So this is proven that first it loops through the condition. It loops through the code that is inside of the do while loop, and then it checks the condition. Okay, that is specified over here. And if the condition is true, then it breaks out of the loop. Now let me show you how the while loop works. So change this to a while loop over here and run the program, and we should not get anything printed on the console. Okay, so this is proven that the while loop first checks the condition over here, and then it loops through the code that is inside of the while loop. So that was the difference between the while and the do while loops in C sharp. Now I hope you have understood about the while and do while loops in C sharp. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more. Goodbye till the next video.